Jana Piller. I'm a postdoc in the Transregio project and I'm working with Cayman.
Yeah, my name is Jonas Löw and I also work at the University of Bremen. I'm a PhD student in the Transregio. Mooring is basically just a very long line with a heavy weight on the bottom which sits on the seafloor, and on this long line are several instruments with that we can measure all different kinds of things. And the mooring which we have in the water right now, we basically measure only the currents and the temperature at specific depth levels. And on top there's a big buoy, and on top and in between there are also different things to which gives buoyancy to keep the mooring in position, in straight upright position.
Yeah, so this entire mooring is attached to its weight at the seafloor with a hook, and that hook can be released by a sound pulse, a very specific sound pulse. So tomorrow morning we will have a hydrophone that we can put into water, and that hydrophone sends us out a pulse at the corresponding frequency, so the releaser hears his command to open a hook. So it detaches from the weight at the seafloor and then it pops up to the surface. So as we are very close to the seafloor with our topmost instrument, we hope that 50 minutes after we release the hook, we see our nice yellow block.
And this is actually not the entire recovery process then. Like when we see the top buoy, we try to put it on the ship, and it hopefully comes back up a nice line. And then we take out first the head buoy, and then all the rope will be spilled out on the winch, and we take each instrument out one after the other. And then afterwards we have to read out all the instruments in the lab.
The good thing about these moorings is that they stay in the water for a very long time. So this is in the water since last August, so 9 months approximately. So we can actually see what changes over the course of the year, if there's a seasonal cycle or not. And then we will work with the data to see how the internal wave energy, is it strong here, is it depending on the season and stuff. So when that's all important information, and then we can be used to validate climate models to actually compare what our best models we have at the moment achieve and what we actually see in nature.